So Samsung is pushing out their biggest Galaxy Z Fold 5 deal of the year so far. And why are they doing this? Because the fact that the OnePlus Open is coming out around the corner and they want to get ahead of it. So if you trade in the Galaxy Z Fold 4 right now, let's say you have Z Fold 4 and you're like, should I upgrade to a Z Fold 5? Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Is it a lot of money? Etc. You can trade it in right now and get this phone for $1,200 less. And that's any color. Any color you want, $1,200 less. It's a 256 gigabyte model. If you want the 512 gigabyte model, which is $120 more savings offer, so it puts you around like $320 of savings. As long as you get the black version, you can actually get a 512 gigabyte model for the same exact price tag as the 256 gigabyte model. So I need a black one. Every other color, as you can see, it's going to be 1919 again. So you're not going to be able to get 512 if you are going with any other color but black. But if you want to go with the black one, you can actually go ahead and get, again, for Z Fold 4 here, $1,200 value. Which after, you do all the money and the taxes and the price tag stuff, that's going to be what? And I actually did not update here yet. Yes, I created a trade-in program. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So this now is going to update minus $1,200, minus $120 instant savings, totaling $599. If you want to upgrade from the Z Fold 4 to the Z Fold 5 with 512 gigabyte version. So for example, if you have a 256 gigabyte version, and you're like, listen, I want to update to a 512, you can do that, and you can also get a Z Fold 5 for $599. That is an absolutely insane deal. That really is. When the Z Fold 5 first came out, it was a $1,000 trade-in value for Z Fold 4, and that, don't get me wrong, is still a really good deal, but $200 more off. Now we're talking the ballpark range of, you know what, you're upgrading, right? But $600. That's not too outrageously crazy. Now, will there be more deals, in the next coming months as we get closer and closer to Christmas? As OnePlus Open does come out, we know that the Oppo Find N3 is going to be released sometime soon. So that means, OnePlus Open is coming out sometime soon. It's possible. It's very possible. I'm not sure how much more they're going to give you off/discounted with this phone. I'm sure they're going to try to find some type of deal, maybe add in some incentives like a Pixel Watch, something like that to kind of make, not Pixel Watch, Google Galaxy Watch to, make more people want to buy this phone. But I don't know how much better they can get with it deal-wise. Now, of course, keep in mind that right now it's September. October is next month, and the month after that is Black Friday. So Black Friday will give us deals when it comes to this. So there probably will be an insane deal by Samsung on Black Friday, Cyber Monday. That maybe offers you something crazy like $1,500 off, if you trade in the Z Fold 4. Or it could be, maybe $500, $600 off if you don't trade in the device. Now, if you trade in any other device other than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which again, like I said, is that upgrade path of going from a Z Fold 4 to a Z Fold 5, you can still get $1,000 for Galaxy S23 Ultra, $800 for a Z Fold 3. A Galaxy S22 Ultra is still $800, which is crazy. A S23 Plus 5G is $600, and so on and so on. You can still get $600 for a Z Fold 2, which is kind of funny because I've seen Z Fold 2s on eBay in third-party markets. Not as much because the older they get, the less likely they are to be posted. But I've seen some of them posted for around like $450, $350, $400. Z Fold 3s I've found on Facebook Marketplace for around like $650, $700. So technically speaking, you could buy that phone for $700 in cash. Then go ahead and buy this phone and save an extra $100 by just buying it off Facebook Marketplace and then trading in the phone. Which, that might be low-key the move. Now, keep in mind that there are taxes that are implied depending on where you live. So, obviously, let's say, for example, I don't know, you live in California. I think California's, I forget what their tax rate is, but it's something like really high. New Jersey, I know, is real high, too. So, depending on that, you're still gonna have to spend the taxes, you know, cover that. So it's not gonna be 100% just flat out, you know, $5.99. It would be $5.99 plus whatever, like $60-$70 extra, which will put you around almost, you know, $700. But still, it's not a bad trade-in value size deal, right? So definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Samsung's trying, man. Samsung tried. I gotta give them credit.